how to see your Instagram password even if you forget it. So if you want to see your Instagram password, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the Instagram login page. So for example, I'll be going with Instagram login page. You can open up your browser or Google, and then you can go with instagram.com, and it might take you to the page, and now you need to go with login option, which is on the upper right, and then it will take you to the login page, right? So here what you need to do is you can either continue using your Facebook if you're facing a problem with login, or you can simply tap on the first blank, and here you will have all of your saved passwords. So you can simply sign into instagram.com with all of your saved passwords. You can simply choose any one of these. Once you've chosen, now it will automatically log you into your account with your saved password. Here on the right side, you will have show option. Tap on show under your password and you'll be able to see the password. But if you don't get that kind of interface, then what you need to do is you need to simply open up your Google. Once you open, go with the upper right, which has that profile option, and choose the account in which you have saved your passwords, and then go with the profile again. Tap on manage your Google account, and then swipe right and go for security option. Under security, scroll all the way down, and here you will have password manager. So tap on manage passwords, and here you will have all of the saved passwords. So go with instagram.com and enter your screen lock, and then here you will have all of the saved passwords. So here you will have eye-shaped icon. Tap on the eye-shaped icon and you will be able to have the password. You can see the password. So in this way you can see your Instagram password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.